JAHJAH Foundation is built on the spirit of volunteerism. The mission of the foundation is to improve access to health care for the underserved in Jamaica. Our all-volunteer team applies a non-traditional approach to improving the delivery of health services across the island. By involving local leaders and stakeholders in carrying out small but impactful projects, we believe that this philosophy of teaching one to fish will resonate in the communities we visit and create a lifetime impact. Each year, a team of volunteers specializing in medicine, media, and administration serve the people of Jamaica during the Foundation's Mission for Change. Now in its third year, Mission for Change is a week-long demonstration of the Foundation's values of service, sustainability, and a healthy Jamaica. Mission for Change includes a week of high-impact, life-changing activities across several parishes. Doctors from public hospitals across the island have participated in an annual ultrasound conference. As a result of these trainings, participants are now going into their local emergency rooms and utilizing the technology of ultrasound to save lives. Subsequently, many of these institutions have recognized and experienced positive outcomes from applying life-saving techniques and are now seeking help from JAHJAH Foundation to acquire ultrasound machines. Another important activity during Mission for Change is the Pediatric Oncology Conference, a collaborative effort between the leadership at the Bustamante Hospital for Children, Columbia University in New York City, and JAHJAH Foundation. 2016 served as year 3 for this thriving collaborative, where conference attendees share best practices in pediatric oncology to improve the care of children living with cancer and to expand support and services for their caregivers and families. Who said service can't be fun? Ask the volunteers about healing in the dance hall, another demonstration of JAHJAH Foundation's non-traditional methods for community development and health outreach. Doctors and nurses take the mountain to Muhammad, providing HIV, diabetes and hypertension screening amidst party-goers in New Kingston. Uptown Mondays is a weekly dance attended by well-known dance crews, bubblers, DJs and artists. Now in its third year, patrons look forward to the conveniences of the screenings offered during Healing in the Dance Hall. And through the continued support of Jamaica AIDS Support for Life and the CEO of Uptown Mondays, these efforts are helping individuals to know their health status and destigmatizing HIV and AIDS. Mission for Change 2015 included the completion of a sick bay at the Hanbury Children's Home. Though the structure is complete, the needs of the children remain. JAHJAH Foundation continues to provide support to the orphanage through medical, dental care, and donations of gifts and supplies. JAHJAH Foundation joined forces with Team Jamaica Bickle for One Love, One Heart, a project designed to combat sudden cardiac death in athletes. Now in its second year, One Love, One Heart performs EKGs and echocardiograms on high school athletes with the assistance of a volunteer board-certified cardiologist from New Jersey. Each year, over 100 athletes are screened, and for those with identified issues, a plan of care is referred. A new initiative was incorporated in Mission for Change 2016, a school health fair held at the Haile Selassie High School in one of Kingston's marginalized communities. Children attending this public school received medical, dental, and mental health screenings and services. Through this partnership with Rastafari TV Network, over 150 students and approximately 60 adult family members were seen by volunteer dentists, general practitioners, clinical psychologists, and pediatricians. Services were well received, with an outpouring of gratitude from those served. Each year, Mission for Change concludes with an infrastructure building project. Previous projects have included upgrading rooms at Kingston Public Hospital's Emergency Department and building a children's wellness center at the Hanbury Orphanage. This year, the team completed a 12-room urgent care center at the Ulster Spring Health Centre, a clinic serving residents in the rural areas of Upper Trelawney, completed with funds raised through donations from friends and supporters of the JAHJAH Foundation. Friends of Ulster Spring Hospital also provided assistance with construction labour. Jamaicans at home are thankful for every supporter, partner and volunteer who gave of their time, talents and funds. These efforts help us, Jamaicans abroad, to be successful in our commitment to a healthy Jamaica. Mission for Change embraces and engages all change agents in the US and Jamaica. We are the Jamaicans abroad helping Jamaicans at home, JAHJAH Foundation, and we are on a mission for change.